Do you guys want to know how to make $750 in 2 weeks? Well, let me tell you how. This is my partner Brayden, and my name is Luke.
So we started with finding some pictures, like some references online, and then we drew it up in AutoCAD, and then made a DFX file and plasma cut all the pieces out. And then
once we had all the pieces, we laid it out on a table, figured out the plan, drew it up, and then we actually made our own jig to be able to heat up the metal with an oxy torch and then bend it all by hand. Each bend is done by hand.
And then we took all the pieces that we cut out, hand bent up the flowers, and we tacked all the flowers on and all the petals and everything. And then we made these little centerpieces on a lathe, hand turned them. And then we put it all together, we painted it all up, and then we just put the little back pieces in.
We took it to the auction and it sold for $750. Thank you for watching.